Assalamu alaikum students. I hope that you would be fine and having a very good time at home. It's your English lesson and today's topic is circle the correct beginning sound. Okay, like here are some pictures given and some letters also, and you have to uh, recognize its letter and you have to circle the beginning sound of these pictures. Like the first picture is ring. Very good. And the letters we have f, r, and p. And ring starts with the letter r. Very good. So we will circle the letter r. Circle letter r. Like this. Okay, students. Next picture is train. It's a train. And the letters we have Q, L, and T. And train starts with the letter T. Very good. So we will circle letter T. Okay, students. The next picture is socks, truck, train, sail, snail, table, and rainbow. Okay, students. Now, like this, you have to do the rest of the pictures on your own. Have a good time. Allah Hafiz.